like them, I have very high expectations of myself, and sometimes when I kind of go through my day-to-day and I put too many demands on myself, and sometimes it's better to relax. And I've been reading a lot of books on this recently, such as books on Stoicism, like from Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus, and also some more books that are just more on meditation. And I've been starting to meditate a lot recently. It's not religious at all; it's all secular, and the whole focus of it is to just let go of all your fear and live in the moment. And a great book I've been listening to in particular is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. And in the book, he says that in order to be happy, you have to focus on the present moment. You can't live in the past or the future, because as soon as you do that, you'll be overcome by either fear or anxiety, respectively. And the way to get around that is to focus on your moment, the day-to-day, every single moment, and to just cherish every moment, because everything else is a figment of your imagination. Like we always project into the future and always think, hey, we could be like this. We gotta get X amount of money to be happy. We gotta live somewhere to be happy. We gotta do something, accomplish something to be happy. And that's all false. You can make that decision to be happy in the moment, in the now. Thank you.